Good afternoon and welcome to Boston Asian Radio and TV English Daily News Today. I am your host, Amanda. Here's a look at the top stories making headlines today. Massachusetts U.S. Attorney Rachael Rollins to resign after Justice Department ethics probe. Woman arrested after allegedly stabbing another woman during early evening fight near Boston Common. 3 men arraigned for alleged involvement in South End shootout. Accountability needs to be taken. Women hit by Boston police van filed for criminal charges. Foxboro trains canceled when truck hits railroad bridge, but don't worry, Swifties. Massachusetts U.S. Attorney Rachael Rollins to resign after Justice Department ethics probe. Massachusetts U.S. Attorney Rachael Rollins will resign following a months-long investigation by the Justice Department's Inspector General into her appearance at a political fundraiser and other potential ethics issues, her attorney said Tuesday. The Justice Department's watchdog has yet to release its report detailing the findings of its investigation, but an attorney for Rollins told the Associated Press that she will be submitting a letter of resignation to President Joe Biden by close of business Friday. The resignation of a U.S. attorney amid ethics concerns is an exceedingly rare phenomenon and is especially notable for a Justice Department that under Attorney General Merrick Garland has sought to restore a sense of normalcy and good governance following the turbulent 4 years of the Trump administration. The Justice Department didn't immediately comment Tuesday. Woman arrested after allegedly stabbing another woman during early evening fight near Boston Common. A woman was allegedly stabbed by another woman during a fight near the Boston Common on Monday evening. Boston police responded to the scene in the area of Tremont and Winter Streets around 7:20 p.m. for a report of a stabbing, a department spokesperson confirmed by phone. The victim, whose age was not available, sustained non-life-threatening injuries in the fight, police said. The other woman involved, whose age and details were also not immediately available, was arrested and charged with assault and battery with a dangerous weapon. 3 men arraigned for alleged involvement in South End shootout. The incident, which occurred on May 6, left 21 cartridge casings strewn on the ground and bullet holes in cars and a home. The 3 people facing charges are Brandon Chacon, 25, of Quincy, Jezza Wood, 20, of Boston, and Styles LeBoy, 18, of Chelsea. Boston police officers responded to an alert from the ShotSpotter gunshot detection system just before 9:30 p.m., officials said. LeBoy and Wood were seen walking on Mystic Street at about 9:28 p.m., shooting at someone later identified as Chacon. Officials said Chacon began shooting back as LeBoy and Wood continued firing. Chacon, Wood, and LeBoy all have been charged with carrying a gun without a license, possession of ammunition without a firearms identification card (FID), and malicious destruction of property. A judge ordered them held without bail pending a dangerousness hearing on May 18. Women hit by Boston police van file for criminal charges. 2 women whose car was totaled by a Boston police van in a video incident are seeking criminal charges against the driver, who was twice arrested for careless and dangerous driving before joining the department. Police claim Centeo drove the van that hit Edwards' automobile as it approached Dale Street and Walnut Avenue. Edwards concussed. The automobile crushed Panel's right side, slicing her liver and injuring her leg. 2 officers were hospitalized with non-life-threatening injuries after Centeo catapulted both vehicles across the street where they hopped a curb, crashed through a metal link fence, and hit the side of a residential building before finally coming to rest. The 2 women filed an application for criminal complaint in Roxbury District Court, asking the Suffolk District Attorney's Office to charge him with reckless driving. Foxboro trains canceled when truck hits railroad bridge, but don't worry, Swifties. Service disruptions are an everyday hazard on the MBTA, as regular commuters know all too well. But after a truck crash temporarily halted service on the MBTA commuter rails, Foxboro line days before Taylor Swift's highly anticipated Gillette Stadium concerts, Swifties were briefly seeing red. While trains to and from Foxboro were canceled through the end of Monday, it appears the MBTA was able to shake it off, getting regular service back up and running by Tuesday morning. This will not impact the Taylor Swift concert trains, a Keolis spokesperson confirmed to Boston.com in an email. According to MBTA Transit Police, Monday's collision occurred around 10 a.m. at the East Street Railroad Bridge in Dedham, when a truck hauling a container struck the low-clearance bridge and damaged it. There were no injuries, and Transit Police cited the truck driver for motor vehicle offenses. Stay tuned for more updates on Boston news as it develops.